everyone, this is Cheryl Kuchak with Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Facebook group. I am here to share with you about creating your own personalized wrapping paper. Do you love that? Okay, so I've been practicing, and actually I'll show you some that I've done. This is for my granddaughter to be. She's in the oven. So anyway, I'm just loving this paper, totally loving it. So I bought this glossy paper from Amazon, but you have to be careful because I actually bought two other ones that said it was glossy and it was not glossy. Well, it wasn't glossy enough. It sublimated horrible. So I will put a link to this at the end of this video for you. And here, I did this, by the way, on the Epson 570. I love that printer. And I mean, this just absolutely came out gorgeous, but it was really too big for what I was wrapping. So what I did was, I will show you how I measured the paper, or the box actually, which is going to be this box, how I measured it to come up with the size that I needed. So the first thing we need to do, here's my paper that I'm going to be using, my image. This came from Word Art, by the way. It's a free creator of words, of Word Art. Okay, and then here's my glossy paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this just a little bit, just a little. And then I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to line this up. Now, I'm setting it at 375 for, whoops, let's get that over here. 375 for 60 seconds. And it's medium to light pressure. Now, this is the actual paper is going to go down. The image is going to be on the top. And what's really important about this is that you use some polypropylene on top of it, because it will absorb the moisture. And part of the problem that I was having was there were cloudiness on some of the words. So we're going to do this again for 375 for 60 seconds. This is actually set. Okay, this was actually set for a minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so here we go. All right, and now I'm going to show you what I did to come up with the size. Okay, so right here, this is 2 inches. So when you're going to wrap it, you only need probably about 1.25 inches to overlap. And then it's 7 inches here. So that's where I came up with my 11. And that, by the way, was 11 by 17. So then this is approximately 15 inches. So I did 11 by 17, and again, I want a little overlap on it, and it comes out absolutely beautiful. We're almost done. So would you please subscribe, like, share this video if you get anything out of it. I think people would really be excited to see this, discover how you can make your own paper, gift wrapping paper. So let's see. Okay, this came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so now let's wrap this beauty. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I have it in the middle, because obviously that's one of the reasons why. Okay, it's a little off, so I'm just going to move it a little bit. Get the name in the middle. Now, what I had to do to actually get the name in the middle, because the image was actually very large, I had to scale it in so that I would be able to actually uh, have it small enough. So I actually did about 6 squares of the design to come up with this. Okay, so now, all right, now I'm going to do my corners. I am so excited about being able to do this, guys. This is just so much fun. Okay, and now I'm going to do the top. How fun is this? I tell you, being able to make your own paper is just so awesome. Of course, I mean, you could put any type of design. It doesn't have to be word art. It can be anything. It could be personalized. It could be photos, anything that you want. It's just so exciting. Okay, there you have it. Is that gorgeous? Look at that. So I'm going to have a happy daughter in love, that's for sure. So thank you for watching. Again, please share the video. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, I really appreciate your time. Thank you.